All right, so we have the Snap-on heated jacket. I'm going to show an example of the standard battery pack that comes with the heated jacket, and then the 16-volt battery packs as well. I use these also with my Milwaukee heated jacket when I had it. So, and I'll show you here. It's at 100%. So we're going to power this on. I'm going to grab my thermal imager and we're going to see how hot this gets, because not only do these battery packs last longer, but they also get the jackets hotter as well. All right, so we're going to power on both pockets, chest and back. We're going to power on both settings all the way, and we'll just let it sit here for probably, I'll test it for 5 minutes, and then I'll do the same with the other jacket. I'll let it cool down. We'll test it for another 5 minutes and see what the temperature difference is between this battery and the other battery. So I set a timer for 5 minutes. It's probably about 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'll do the same thing with the other battery. And while that timer's running, I want to show you guys the size difference here between the two. And then if you have a Milwaukee, obviously you have the M12, and then you have the power adapter on top of it. So that gets pretty bulky. And if you've worn the Milwaukee one, you know you sit down on that battery the wrong way, and it'll catch you really good in the back. So it's a lot smaller, a lot more slim. So it makes it much more comfortable when wearing this battery. And like I said, not only does it get more hot in the jacket, but it also lasts way longer than the M12s and the Snap-on. All right, we're coming down to the last 5 seconds. Got that. Actually, that battery is down to 94. Now, in this battery's defense, I haven't charged it up. It's just been sitting for a while because I haven't worn this jacket very much this year. All right, so let's open it up here. So we've got about 90. I think I saw 92 there, 91, 94. Let's see if we open this up a little bit more, see if we can get on the pockets. So about 94 is the highest, 97, 99, 102. All right, so cooled back down. You can see the battery showing a little bit of power, but I've got it plugged in, so or a little bit of heat. So back down 50. That's what the shop temperature is right now, about just under 60. So we're gonna plug this one in or turn this one on and see what the temperature gets up to. 5 minutes. All right, so just over 5 minutes. These don't have a gauge, so we'll have to just go off of what they're at, and we'll see what it's at here soon. All right, so we're at 3 minutes, and I took a sneak peek, and there's no point in waiting around. You can see we're not even at 5 minutes and how hot it's getting.